Good morning, YouTube. This is how good my starts are doing. Seed starts. Started all these from seed. That's my lettuce. That's my carrots. That's my broccoli. That's getting transplanted today. And the lettuce. And in the back, I got ornamental peppers. They're doing superb too. Here's my whole tray of peppers. Look at how nice they look. They're getting transplanted in like a week. There are those bad boys. Best starts I've ever had on peppers. Finally got it down, keeping them warm and getting them to germinate. These are my marigolds. They'll be transplanted in a week also. These are cosmos. Beautiful flowers. These are my cone flowers. These ones are red. Those ones are blue. And that's a patriotic mix. Alright. These are all my petunias coming up. See the little babies? I can't believe they're... Then I got other ones starting too. I guess they're hard to start. And it's been cold lately. In the back I have strawberries. 12 strawberries from seed I'm starting. Alright. Do yourself a garden. You'll love it. I can't believe how good it's doing. Especially my peppers. Have a great day now.